Another little interesting video. Saturday. I'm not sure of the date. Let me look again. April 6th. This is another piece of equipment I got. It's a little John Deere 350B as in boy crawler loader. Got a standard bucket. It's about a yard and I believe a quarter. Good little machine. Bought it cheap. Didn't have to do much to this. Full service. Got some weights on the back. What I'm doing today is with my little loader and my dump truck, moving this pile of dirt at about 15 yards from a borrow pit up to where the little cabin's going to be. I'm trying to bring the foundation area up to grade. Just my little borrow pit. I'll smooth that out, probably deepen it, make a small pond out of it. It's going to rain today. That's what I'm working on. My buddy Tom over at Mr. Fix-All, he's got a little International, I believe it's a TD8 with a draught bucket on the front. That's a good little machine too. These things are similar in size. I think his predates mine by about 10-12 years or so. This one is before 1975, but not much. Forgot the year model, of course, I always do. Runs like a top. Good oil pressure, never gets hot. Steering clutches work fine. Undercarriage is decent for a loader. Got these smooth tracks, but it's a loader, it's supposed to. Brakes work, everything works on it. It's just old. And ain't nothing wrong with old as long as you maintain it. Anyway, it's fixing to rain. I need to get started. So, I get this posted. Thank you.